Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to find a card number for Bank of America on the app website. To find a card number, you need to follow these methods. Go to your bank's website or open the mobile app on your phone. Log in with your username and password, or create an account if you don't have one yet. Once you're logged in, find the section that shows your account details or card information. Look for an option like View Account Details, Manage Cards, or Card Information. Click on that option to see your card details, including the 16-digit card number. Method 2. Contacting your bank's customer service. Find your bank's customer service phone number on their website or on your monthly statement. Call the number and follow the instructions or talk to a representative. Answer questions to verify your identity. Ask for your 16-digit debit card number. Write down the number for future use. Method 3. Finding your debit card number from account statements or transaction history. Log into your online or mobile banking app. Find the section with your transaction history. Select the time period when you used your debit card. Check the transaction details to find the 16-digit debit card number. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.